Hey guys, and welcome back to Code Planet. So in today's video I want us to handle this project called debugging. Before I proceed, I want to appreciate everyone who wished me well, and I am happy to tell you guys that I feel a lot better today than yesterday when I made the nested loops, and we are one big family and I love you guys. Thank you so much. Now, if this is your first time coming across this channel, do well to smash that subscribe button and give a thumbs up if this video actually helps you get something solved. Now, debugging simply means in software development, when you find errors and you fix the errors, it's called debugging. So it's just a process of finding problems or errors that are occurring in your software and you're fixing them. Okay, now I would like you to go through the resources so you understand what debugging actually implies, and the rubber duck debugging so you understand better. Now let's go straight to the business of the day. I always advise you go through your general requirements so you know what to apply. Now this simply means that you can use your VI, your Vim, or Emacs, whichever one you're most familiar with. You're going to apply your GCC, you are going to have your Betty in place, your Betty style, and also you're going to create a README file. Okay guys, so let's proceed with solving the tasks. Now the first thing you need to do is go to your sandbox and activate your sandbox. You need to activate your sandbox. You can get that through the menu. When you go to your menu and then you scroll down, you're going to discover sandboxes. You go to your sandbox and then you activate your web terminal. That's how you're going to have a black screen just like this. So the next thing to do is to proceed. Now that you have your web terminal running, the next thing to do is you come here, you check the repository you're to work with, you copy that or you type it in here, and then you do your cd space, you paste it, and now we have moved into this repository. You can see it's different from this, and then you come here, you have to create this directory, so you just copy this, come here, do your mkdir space, and then you paste it and you hit enter. We have successfully created this directory. How do you know that? When you now do your ls, which is list, you're going to find the directory right inside it. So here you can now do your cd and then you go into the directory you just created. You can see the repo and then you can see the directory. So right here, at this point, the next thing we need to do is to create our readme file for the task we are about to solve. So here you just type vi space readme.md and then you hit enter. Activate your insert and you can just go ahead to copy this and paste right inside here. Do your escape shift :WQ and then you hit enter. Now you can actually use this for your readme description, or the good thing is I'm going to provide you guys with the scripts you can actually use to get this done. So let's go straight. I want to rush this video and let's get done with it pretty fast. So we've created the readme. The next thing we need to do right now is to create our file. Now we are going to create our main.h file, which contains all the prototypes. Okay, we're going to create the main.h file, which contains all the prototypes we are to apply to this. Now how do we do that? You come here, you copy your main.h file, you come to this, your web terminal. Make sure you use your web terminal. I am using git bash, okay, just for the training, but make sure you use web terminal and follow the steps and the instructions I am giving you. Forget about what displays here. Now you just excuse me. So now you just do your vi space and then you paste. We are about to create the main.h file, and now you activate insert mode. So we go to the script which I have prepared for you guys. You're going to discover the main.h file. This is the header, and then these are the prototypes, and it always ends with end if. So you just copy from here to this point, and then you copy, come here, paste, and this is our main.h file. You do your escape shift : WQ, and we have successfully created this one. Now the next thing to do is to create the individual files needed. Okay, so in this case we have to create this. We've created our main.h file. We are also supposed to create our main.c file. Okay, but let's leave this one for now and go straight to this. So you copy this, come here, do your vi space, and then you paste, hit enter, activate insert, go to the script I have prepared for you. This is 10-main. Okay, so we have it here. You just copy this, copy, and then you paste here, do our escape shift : WQ, and we have successfully created our 0-main.c file. Now how do you create your main.c file? Your main.c file has already been made available here, so all you just have to do is you copy this, come here, do your vi space main.c, and then you hit enter, activate, copy the script that has been given to you for the main.c file. You copy and then you paste, you hit escape shift : WQ, and we are done with that. So when you do your ls, you can see how many files you can see how many files we have created already. We have created the 0-main.c, we have created the readme, we have created the main.c, and we have also created the main.h. Okay, so at this point now we go down to the next task, which is this. You do not have to compile with this, okay, for this task. Now the reason for this simply means your checker already knows the script you're putting, so you don't need to start running your GCC to start compiling this. So all you just have to do now is to create your 1-main.c file, which is this. Copy this, come here, do your vi space, and then you paste, hit enter, activate insert, then go to your script. Make sure you look through so you understand this is the header, and then this is the Betty where you give your instructions. This is the prototype, and then this is your function right inside the curly brackets. So you copy this and then you paste here, do your escape shift : WQ, and you hit enter. We have successfully created this file as well. So the next thing to do is to go to the next task, which is this program prints the largest number of 3 integers. So you just come down, you have to copy this file name, come here, do your vi space, and then you paste, and then you hit enter, activate insert mode. Now go to your script which I have prepared for you. Just copy this to this point, copy, and then paste. Do your escape, shift, colon, WQ, and then you hit enter. Now we have created this file. The next thing to do is to go and create. Don't worry about main.h, we have already created the main.h file. So now the next thing to do is to create this one, and all you just have to do is come down. This is the last. You copy the name of the file, come here, do your vi space, and then you paste it, hit enter, activate insert, come to your script and copy it from here to the last curly bracket. So you copy, come here, and then paste, do your escape, shift, colon, WQ, and then you hit enter. At this point you are done creating your files. One thing I would also like you to do is I would like you to try and create these other files that have been instructed right here. Okay, I'd like you to create some of these files that have been instructed right here, but it doesn't matter if you do not wish to create them. So here I'll just do my ls. So we see the files we have. We have our 0-main.c, we have this, we have 1-main, and then we have readme, main.h, main.c, and 3 print remaining days, and also we have this one. So if you wish to create any of these other files, all you just have to do is, or if you wish to test any of them, you will see this ./a_out can be used to test. All you just do is you copy this, come to your web terminal, paste, and hit enter, and see what the result gives you. Or you can just ignore. Your checker already knows what it's looking out for. That's why you were instructed that you really do not need to run your compile with this. You don't need to compile with this. Okay, so I just want to do something here. Now that you have created everything, you can create these ones if you wish to. You can create this. All you just have to do is you copy this. When you copy this, you come here, you do your vi space, you paste it, hit enter, and this is the script already made available for you to use. So you just copy this, come here, activate insert, and then paste it. Do your escape, shift, colon, WQ. Now we have successfully created this. If you wish to test this, all you just have to do is you come here down, copy this GCC to this point, you copy it, paste, and then you hit enter. It's going to show me error here because GCC is not a command in bash. I am using git bash, but it's going to work in your web terminal. Now You can ignore every other thing because we have created the files we've been asked to create. So all you just have to do now is you do your git add space dot, hit enter, do your git commit space dash m space, you give your instruction inside, you can just say debugging, and then you hit enter. At this point, you now do your git push to push it to your GitHub. Now, the moment you push it to your GitHub, you can now come to your task page and start running your checker to see what you got and if there will be any error or issue. So you just click on your check code, click on start a new test. Let's see what we have. Now guys, you can see we have all green. Green. So if you actually follow this video and you follow the steps I showed you, you are definitely going to get all greens. Yeah, so let's just check the next one and then the video would actually just come to an end. So we go to the next task, which is this one, and let's see what we have when we click on check code. Click here. Yeah, you can see we have all greens. So guys, if this video actually helped you get something solved, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give me a like because it helps me, it motivates me to do more. And don't forget to drop a comment saying thank you. I love you guys. This is Code Planet, where we code together and grow together. And for all the warm wishes and all the get well soon prayers, thank you so much. I really appreciate. I love you guys, and I will always keep doing my best to help us get through this, because tomorrow you can actually do better than myself. So guys, until the next video, stay cool, stay safe, keep practicing. Love you guys. Bye-bye.